I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the column you want removed. Click the column letter at the top so the whole column highlights. Once done, make sure there are no protected ranges or merged cells that would block deletion. Resolve those first by unprotecting or unmerging. You should also create a quick backup. Copy the column to a new sheet or duplicate the tab so you can restore data if needed. This prepares you for the immediate deletion step without surprises. Now delete the column. With it selected, right-click the header and choose Delete Column. Alternatively, use the Edit menu or the keyboard shortcut to speed the action. As you delete, watch for formulas that reference cells in that column. Google Sheets may shift or return errors. Update dependent formulas to preserve calculations. If several non-adjacent columns need removal, repeat selection and deletion carefully. After deletion, scan nearby data to confirm alignment and that no unintended shifts occurred. To finish, verify the sheet structure and recalculate any totals that depended on the removed column. Make sure charts and named ranges still point to the right ranges. If something goes wrong, use Undo Ctrl+Z immediately or open version history to restore the previous state. If protected ranges or named ranges were affected, update or remove those definitions. If formulas show #ref or errors, edit them to correct references. This single troubleshooting step fixes most post-deletion issues quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.